Hello people, in this video we want to look at community medicine record. This is part 1. So it says practicals, spotters, problem solving. So here there are some table of contents: water, meteorology, that is all the pressure measuring instruments, etc. Right? Housing, the types of housing, sewage disposal, healthcare waste management, that is biomedical waste management, right? So then you have nutrition and health, all those spotters that you have about all the dals, urad dal, moong dal, etc. Biostatistics, all to do with your mean, median, mode, etc. Then vital statistics, the birth rate, death rate, etc. Epidemiological exercises, and then spotters. For so many things you have spotters. All the insects you'll have to identify, mosquitoes, etc. Right? All this you'll have to identify. Then self-learning. What is this? Visits to institutions of public health importance. In this we have visited, what and all have we visited? Sewage, what is that? Sewage water treatment plant. Then we visited milk, dairy, right? How they make milk packets, right? Then we visited, what else? What and all have we visited? We visited PHCs, Anganwadis. We visited counseling center, right? That AIDS, for AIDS, etc. Some counseling center. I'm not getting the full short form of it. Then what else did we visit? We actually, not public health importance, but old age, retirement homes, and what else? Orphanages we visited, okay? Old age homes and orphanages. See, old age homes is not a bad thing. You should not depend on your child to take care of you. Okay, try to be independent, book your own retirement home. Anyways, now moving on to this water, housing, sewage disposal, healthcare management. Let's see what is all this. These are some water problems using Horrocks apparatus. Okay, then biostatistics. So all these graphs, nice. Okay, then what is this? Oh, that mean, median, mode, all that. Okay. Morbidity, mortality. This is exercises on vital statistics. So all that death rate, incidence, prevalence, right? Crude death rate, infant mortality rate, all that calculations. Then we're just scanning through the record, community medicine. Then what is this? Entomology, medical entomology. All the life cycle of mosquito, etc. This is the life cycle of the Aedes mosquito. Okay. Sandfly, louse. So all this you'll have to draw in your record, guys. I'm just going. This is, what is this? These are some drugs. Albendazole, cotrimoxazole, right? Then, so when you visit anything, right, you have to fill that information here. What do the staff there do? What does MPHW, health worker, right? Health worker female, what does she do? Health worker male, what do they do? Right? What is MP? MP. Okay, then oral contraceptive pills. What is this about? What registry are they maintaining? Okay. Guys, are you understanding? We are looking at community medicine record. We are seeing in a sub-center, what do they do, right? Then what else have we written here? So this is the record, guys. A very, very boring record actually. Now this is part 2, guys. Part 2 is full of cases. The cases that you will talk to people, right, and take the history, that one. So leprosy, diarrhea, dengue, antenatal case, geriatric case, that is the old age people. Then what is this? PNC, that is, PNC is postnatal, is it? Postnatal care after her delivery. Hypertension, tuberculosis, PM, protein, energy, malnutrition. Family studies, guys, focus family studies. You'll have to just talk to families on your field visits and you'll have to write that information here. Okay, so you will talk about, this is a what? This is an infant pro forma. So here you will talk to people about the child and breastfeed, etc. So how is the child immunization? How is it going on? How is the child growing well, right? Then similarly you have lot of pro formas, guys. Okay, and then we are turning the page here, a lot of pages, and then we are reaching what are we reaching? All these family studies have been written. Okay, these are the family studies. In family studies, you will talk about the family. How many people are there? 4 people are there. Father, mother, daughter, son. Okay. And what BPL card they have, habits, etc. And housing. Focus here, guys. Focus. You'll have to tell them that, see, daughter is equal to son, and daughter should not be thrown out of the house because the son was born later to them. Some social messages can be given, but whether they follow or not, though we are more concerned about health, we can still talk about some social issues. Like if they have 2 daughters, we can say, stop, don't go ahead and carry once again in the aspiration of a son. Okay, so that's it, guys. In this video, we have looked at the community medicine records, 2 of them. Part 1 and part 2 we have looked at. Bye bye.